Our planet is a world of water, a vast, interconnected ocean that hides realms of unimaginable beauty.
In these shallow, sunlit kingdoms, life thrives in an explosion of color and form. But deeper, beyond the reach of the sun, lie older, colder worlds. Here, in the crushing dark, lives a mind of alien shape and ancient lineage. An intelligence that has watched the abyss for millennia. It is a master hunter, armed not with teeth or claws, but with a brilliant mind. A puzzle solved not by chance, but by strategy and force. But its greatest tool for survival is not its strength, but its ability to disappear. Becoming a living, breathing ghost. It is a creature of two worlds, the dark, hidden crevices, and the sunlit, open blue. A solitary sovereign in a kingdom of eternal twilight. A truly alien intelligence.
The reproductive cycle of the octopus is one of nature's greatest stories of self-sacrifice. During mating, the male octopus transfers his sperm to the female, using a specialized arm called a hectocotylus, only to pass away a few weeks later. Retreating into a secure den, the female lays thousands of eggs at a single time. While smaller species produce hundreds, giant species can yield over 100,000 eggs. The mother never hunts during this process, which can last for years, focusing entirely on cleaning the eggs and providing them with oxygen. In fact, a deep-sea octopus has been observed guarding her eggs for 4 long years. Shortly after the hatchlings emerge, the mother loses her life. Yet, due to relentless predators, only a mere handful of these thousands of newborns will ever survive to reach adulthood.
Here we see the fluidity of evolution. Life transforms.
This is the world we know. A planet dominated by the spine.
But in the shadows of this world, another intelligence was stirring. In the eternal night of the deep sea, we encounter a solid...
Its origins are ancient, not of bone, but of shell. The cephalopods, a family of alien minds, the hunter of the open water, the master of illusion,
Right, and the solitary thinker. In a moment of magic, the octopus vanishes, its skin an exact replica of the ocean floor.
Its skin is a screen, broadcasting the thoughts of a mind we can barely comprehend.
a brilliant mind in a world of its own. A brief, remarkable existence.
Meet the primitive mollusk. Its gelatinous body, illuminated by
Around 500 million years ago, life on Earth was far from the form we know today. Over time, the primitive mollusks living in the seas of that period evolved and diverged into different species. While some retained their shells, others lost their shells completely.
The ancestors of octopuses were among the creatures that gave up their shells.
Although this change might seem like a disadvantage at first glance,
It actually turned them into extremely agile, flexible, and adaptable hunters. And so the creature returns to the darkness, leaving us only to wonder what other mysteries the Cambrian seas hold.
the deep ocean void, home to over 300 unique species, featuring the Dumbo octopus, blue-ringed, mimic, and giant Pacific. On the left, a fish skeleton dissolves to a shark's cartilaginous structure. On the right, a reef octopus pulses.
One of the most remarkable features of octopuses is their body structure.
Humans and other vertebrate animals have bones, but octopuses have no bones.
Because they lack a rigid skeletal system, they can pass through extremely narrow openings.
The only thing that limits the space an octopus can fit through is the size of its beak.
Some individuals have left their tanks at night to hunt fish in other tanks.
What truly makes octopuses extraordinary is not merely their physical traits. The most remarkable element that makes them unique is their intelligence. An octopus nervous system is extraordinarily advanced. It possesses one of the most complex nervous systems among all invertebrates. The majority of their nerve cells are located in their arms. Each arm can sense its surroundings, examine objects, and respond autonomously.
They can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. This ability makes them extraordinarily effective during hunting.
But what truly makes octopuses special isn't just their physical traits. The most crucial element that makes them unique is their intelligence.
An octopus's nervous system is highly developed. It possesses one of the most complex nervous systems among invertebrates.
The majority of its neurons are located in its arms.
Each arm can feel its surroundings, examine objects,
and they can perform multiple tasks simultaneously.
This feature makes them extremely effective hunters.
But intelligence alone is not enough in the oceans. Dangers lurk in every corner.
This is where another extraordinary ability of octopuses comes into play: camouflage. An octopus can change its color in a matter of seconds. Thanks to special pigment cells in its skin, it can mimic its surroundings.
Moreover, it doesn't just change color. It can also change the texture of its skin.
It can go from a smooth surface to the appearance of a spiny rock.
It can become almost invisible on the sandy seabed.
This ability allows them to both hide from predators and approach their prey unnoticed.
As the shark draws near, the seabed holds its breath. The octopus,
When danger gets too close, one of its final defense mechanisms kicks in.
the octopus's ink.
Produced by a special gland, the dark ink obstructs vision when released into the water.
While the predator is disoriented for a few seconds, the octopus makes a swift escape. Often, they move along the seabed using their arms, as if walking.
They draw water into their body cavities, and then forcefully expel it to propel themselves forward.
This method allows them to make sudden escapes.
The life of an octopus is full of constant struggle.
At night, many octopuses become active. Under the cover of darkness, they emerge silently from their dens.
When they find a crab, a small fish, or a shellfish, the hunt begins. The suckers on an octopus's arms are not just for gripping.
Each sucker is also a powerful sensory organ. Once the prey is caught, its powerful beak comes into play.
This structure, resembling a parrot's beak, is strong enough to break hard shells. When all